Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is my birthday, and we have come out here to enjoy some other parts of the Katy Trail that we don't normally get to ride. This here is right along the Missouri River, and it's just beautiful around here, and we have stopped for our little lunch here on the trail. And here's our lunch, packed away, ready to go. And thank you for the bench, Philip Wayne Alton and Velma Jean Alton. Mom wants to reveal her. Those are garden tomatoes.
Just picked.
Yeah, I picked them this morning. Little ham sandwiches and chips. What else did you bring us? M&Ms. All right. And a little red-headed
Zuru.